Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning. Today is November the 25th on a Monday. We are out here in Loganville, Georgia. Beautiful, beautiful residence of Mr. and Mrs. McLeod. Miss McLeod found me on Google. She initially called me. Usually I do tell clients they do have the option of sending pictures. That way I can give them like a rough estimate. Miss McLeod said, Courtney, I don't have time for that. How do I make the $75 payment? So she paid her $75 consultation fee, which does come off the bill. So I came out here last week, gave her a quote. They booked on the spot, doing just a cleaning, just a hardwood floor cleaning. It's about 1,361 square feet. Sometimes, depending on the cleaning, I'm just charging them $1 a square foot. And this house is actually not far from the vampire diary house that we did for Mr. Dave. It was a 2-day process, UV cure, and actually I went out 2 weeks ago and gave them an estimate to do the gym floors in back of the house. After this, we also have another cleaning that we're going to be doing. I did a cleaning Saturday. I booked another cleaning Saturday for this Wednesday. Tomorrow we got 2 screen and recoats, one with UV cure. So this is that time of the year where a lot of clients just want to get their floors professional clean. So let me show you guys what we're going to be doing today. All right, so we again are in Loganville, Georgia, not far from Lawrenceville. Beautiful home, and the floors are in great condition. And again, these are the type of homeowners, they just want their floors done at a professional level of cleaning, and that's what we're going to do today. So let's come on in and show you guys what we are doing. So we're going to be doing all the wood floors on the main floor here. Mr. McLeod's in there getting ready. We're going to be doing the masters, going to go around here, this beautiful dining room area. There's Tavares with his what do you call them things again? Crocs. His Crocs out through here. So as you guys can see, their floors are in great condition. Okay, but again, clients know what they want, and we're going to do a cleaning on this floor today, also in here in this pantry. All right, so all right, guys, I did a cleaning Saturday for Mr. Herberto. Him and his wife were expecting their first child, and he wrote me a great review on Google. He said, Courtney, I want to be honest with you, man. These floors look better than they did when they was new. And again, guys, that's all I'll say. At some point, the floors are going to need a professional cleaning, because there's things that we can do that you just can't do on your own unless you get the equipment that we have and also the same chemistry. So we're going to be using my PEX 500 today. I'm loving this machine. Again, shout out to HydraMaster. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. Tour of how the floors are coming out. So we've already cleaned these, also sprayed down our restore, which basically it restores the original finish. So we're not adding anything back to it. Basically what we're doing, we're using a certain chemistry to restore the finish on the floor. So when we do cleanings, we do not put anything back on the floor. Only time we put something back on the floor is if we're doing a screen and recoat. But let me show you guys, look how good these floors look now. And even my client was telling me, she said, yeah, Courtney, it's been 5 years, and she just knew it was time for that good professional cleaning. So let me show you, like over here, see how clean these floors are now? Now let me show you over here. You can't see it from the camera, but over here, when I kind of zoom in, it has like a haze on it. It needs that good cleaning. Like for example, I've already cleaned over here, but I haven't cleaned here yet, and I can just see a huge difference from in here. All right. Okay, that is nice compared to the part. So what I'm about to do now is go around the rug, do this walkway, and waiting for the masters to dry. Then we're gonna spray the restore on there, and then this area going to the basement, and boom, straight out the door. And we'll be going to Mrs. Barber's house. I told Miss Barber we'll be there early. She said, Courtney, that's fine. My husband is there. And then after that, we have a company that we network with. They did a sanding job, but he doesn't offer the UV cure, but he did to his client about it, and he basically have me come out and UV cure it, and he just paid me just to cure it. He still puts the finish down, and he'll just pay me to come UV cure it, and that job will only probably take me an hour. All right, guys, I'm going to finish cleaning these beautiful, beautiful floors. All and right, guys, that is going to do it.
But I appreciate cleaning it.
Thank you, Miss McCloud. Yes, ma'am. All right, so look at Mr. and Mrs. McCloud floors now. And again, this is just a professional Truman signature cleaning. Floors look amazing. And Miss McCloud, you did find me on Google, right?
Yeah, I think I did.
On Google, yeah.
When I first, you told me to go.
Yeah, I remember because. Yeah, thank you. Now I was just telling them earlier how you said I ain't got time for no pictures. Let's come out here and do me up my consultation. Yeah.
So I saw that.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yep. There's my clients, guys. They do their research. All right, guys. Well, that's going to do it. We're going to head on to Duluth now. Also, we clean this as well. And go take care of Mrs. Barber floors. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.